sheep. They're some of the most highly populated livestock animals in the whole entire world. But they are so much more than just the leg of lamb that you see in the store. Animals such as sheep provide products that we use every single day. So here we're going to talk about a few. To begin, we're going to give you a little breakdown. The sheep can be broken up into 5 major components, which are the wool, the manure, the fat, the intestines, and the skin. And from all of these, we can get thousands of different products. But today, we're only going to list a few. To begin, we're going to talk about the hide. The hide, or the skin, can be stretched out, tanned, and dried to be created into drum heads, footwear, ointments, hide glue, baseballs, and luggage. All of these, I guarantee, you've at least used once in your lifetime. Next, we're going to move on to wool, which is the majority of what people think when they think of products created by sheep. Wool can be used to create yarn, which then gets turned into your clothing. And also fabrics, carpets, upholsteries, tennis balls, and even the rugs you have in your house. Next, we have the fat, and this one is actually the most surprising. This is not only used in things like chewing gum and your food to flavor things, but it is also used in explosives and paint and solvents that you would use in your chemistry class. Next, we have the intestines. The intestines of a sheep go on for miles. They're excruciatingly long, so it's very beneficial that we can use them for things such as sausage casings when you buy meat at the store, instrument strings like on violins, surgical structures, and tennis racket strings. And lastly, we have the manure. Most people don't really think about the manure when they're talking about products created by sheep, but they're actually incredibly beneficial. Manure is one of the best fertilizers that we use, and it's all natural. So the fertilizers that farmers put on fields or you put in your lawns could possibly have come from the manure of a sheep. The manure of sheep is also used for nitrogen supplements. It's placed in mulch, and it is also a great source of phosphorus. Sheep are such beneficial animals. Between their wool, hide, fat, and every other part of them, they make a huge impact in our economy in America as well as the economy around the world. And you use products created by sheep every single day. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.